All right, folks.
What happened?
Generator's running.
Obvi.
What's that mean? Got the kitchen. Come on up. Kitchen, bedroom, living room slide. Bedroom is fine.
It works.
In here, it works. Kitchen,
Nothing.
nothing.
Nothing at all. Living
Room, it sounds like it's spinning. I don't know.
Like it's
And
hot
actually,
on something?
and this didn't work until I wiggled. So I'm not sure it's something here. The out. Not,
Like it's catching on something.
or it's spinning and it's not catching. I don't know. That's not moving. Kitchen, nothing. Now, down here, oh boy.
What do you need, your toolbox?
No. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Oh, don't get old. Okay. I replaced every single one of these. So all these are brand new. I found out that there is another
There's a
secondary breaker box or whatever you call these things. So I gotta find it. Someone said that try a relay switch. There's a relay switch. So hopefully that'll do it. Yeah.
Did you turn the main power on? Power switch?
Okay. Everything is on.
So let it sit for a second.
See? Nothing. Okay. So, I gotta go find secondary. Bye. And we have Kathy. She's taking turns. It's actually getting there. It's getting there. Almost done. Woo! That's a lot of cranking. I don't understand. See, and I tried it, and now it doesn't even turn. The noise just stopped. So we got living room out, and we got the kitchen out. Out as in not working, and out as in they're out there.
Okay, stop.
Okay, here we go. Ta-da. So, what do you have to say for yourself after doing all that?
That's a lot of cranking.
Oh my God. But at least everyone knows how to do it. I didn't know.
You gotta learn how to do this stuff.
I went on YouTube, and guess what? They showed me how to do it.
Gotta learn how to do it, ladies.
Yep, so
Get out there and get dirty. Get your jeans and get grimy. You gotta learn how to do it.
get her done. So now I gotta go on YouTube and find out if I can find a second fuse box, fuse relay or something like that. Yeah. Oh, this sucks. But you know what? That's life. You can be in your house and something breaks, you know? Oh, now we got room.
We got the AC going.
Yeah. Woo!
Woo!
Turn the lights on.
Is this the switch for the
Yeah,
light?
I think so. Go ahead.
There we go.
There we go. More? The other
All
ones?
of them more?
Yeah. You can see I changed a couple of the lights. That one compared to that one. This one yellow. That one green. And that one. Those I changed to LEDs. This one I did. This one is LED. And that one, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
We will see if it'll use your glasses.
There it goes. That is not LED. That needs to be changed. But we got room. That's LED. What about that? Cool.
This one.
Yep, that's LED. Nice.
How come the microwave's not lit? Because it's on the
Because the
GFI
fuse-
plug?
yeah, the fuse.
We got it off?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're showing you the size of the kitchen. As far as the top there. Not bad. It's a pretty big size. Pretty hard to get a rig with that much counter space. That's about the only reason why we bought this one. It's beautiful. We like it. It's really nice.
It's a gorgeous rig.
But it's nice when it works. Yep. So this is going to be our home
We're home away from home.
eventually. Eventually. All right. Now I gotta go and see what I can do with this darn thing. That's crazy. Unbelievable. The damn kitchen. Nothing. Not a damn thing. Man. Oh. No, this thing works. It's not turning it, but it's. Yeah. It spins, but it doesn't.
I wonder if it needs hydraulic fluid.
I don't know. It's not. Maybe it's off track. But then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I heard that there's a relay switch that if it gets hot, it blows a fuse, for example. Then when it cools off, it goes back to normal. I don't know. I gotta find out. Goodbye.
What you doing? What you doing?
Tightening these nuts, make sure they're 40 pounds. There we go.
With your new toy?
Yeah. Not bad. This one was loose.
Wow, it is loose.
Wait a minute. I need another one. Okay. Yeah. Let me go get another one. Pull this out.
Here, this one out of my pocket?
Yeah, but I gotta get another. The handle. Got it.
You need me to hold one? So, I seen this. There was something that was posted recently in reference to the Anderson fifth wheel connector thingy, whatever you call this thing, hitch holder, I guess, and that it was always a good idea to torque and make sure that the whatchamacallits that Manny is turning right here are tight, because some little happy britches decided to think it was funny and loosen them up or they can come loose during travel or whatever and cause the red thing there to spin away from the hitch that goes to the fifth wheel. Easy, babe. Easy.
There it is.
And there it is.
40 pounds.
If y'all heard that click,
Click, click, click.
that means that it's tight. So we'll get, this is what he's used. There it is.
40 pounds.
40 pounds PSI.
Foot, yeah.
Is that
Foot,
what you
no,
said?
it's foot.
Oh, how do you say it?
Foot pounds.
40 pounds?
40 foot pounds.
Oh, 40 foot pounds.
Yeah. It's like feet going like this. Give up.
Okay, we'll get back to you.